Hi, this is Sergey from Seatext. I want to show you how the Seatext works and how you operate with it. First of all, the system will show you installation steps. You need to install Seatext to get access to the most of the features. Without the installation, Seatext doesn't have access to your website and doesn't know anything about your website. To install Seatext on your website, you need to copy this JavaScript and integrate it in your website. It's pretty easy if you don't know how to do it. You can choose your platform, for example, WordPress, and then see the instructions how to do it, or follow those instructions step by step. For example, some of our clients was able to install Seatext less than a minute. It's extremely easy. Don't be afraid to do that. After you install the Seatext start to gather what pages, what URLs you have on your website. And what's happening next, for each text on each URL, it creates its own variants. So let's see what variants it's created for the website. You need to click to variant edit first and then select the URL from your website. For example, let's check the main page. Then, because seatext.com is translated to 50 languages, you need to choose the language. If you only use IE to improve your conversion rates, you wouldn't have this choice. So we choose, for example, German. So now a huge database is loaded, and this database consists of two things. It consists of your original text, which you have on the website, in language you have on your own website. For example, here is IE powered A/B testing, and then there is a variance which IE created for your website when the German visitor go to your website. So this is a way how we can translate your website and at the same time run A/B testing on these translations to understand which of those translations sell the most for each text you have on your website. You can edit it, and this is allowing you to first of all fix some errors or rewrite in the way you want, or if you're making IE A/B testing and you want to test your own ideas for improving the conversion, you basically edit it. So you can change login to, I don't know, setup system, and check how setup system converts comparing to login on your website. So this allows you to run manual A/B testing also. But how is A/B testing done? So there is two parameters, per pages and per text. So each text has a rating, and we name it conversion rating. Because nobody visiting our website in German, only one person visited, we basically don't have the rating for those variants, but it's okay. So basically, you will see here the conversion rate, and the higher it is, the better for you. It means that this text has quite good conversion rate if here you see the numbers like more than 10, etc., etc. So there is a big probability that this text is connected to the better sales. And here you can see number of views, and if it's less than 1000 views, it basically means this conversion rate still has a big margin of error. If it's more than 1000 views, you can be absolutely sure about the conversion rate of this particular text. The other view is for example the views like here. I need to improve conversion rate on your website. So you click here, and here you can see per page results, not per text but per page. So for example, on seatext.com in general, in all variants which was tested, it was 11.95 conversion rate with 500 views. Also, you can change some settings on IE here. First of all, you can activate or deactivate IE testing or translation for IE website translation for exactly this URL. So you can be activated or deactivated on this page, but on this page, for example, you can be activated or deactivated. It all depends on you. The other settings which you can change, it's percentage of traffic controlled by. Basically, if you are a big website and you have thousands of views every day, you can say, I don't want to show all the traffic to IE. I want to show only 10% or nothing at all, or maybe only half of my traffic I want to show to IE. The more traffic you give to IE, the faster it learns, the more variants it will be able to show to your visitors. The other one is a showing, and this is a extremely important parameter. It allows you to tell a, I'm done with experimenting, and for example, if you put 0, I will only show the variance from here which has the best conversion rate. So basically you have the big spike in your conversions, but you don't get the new data from the new variants, and because you don't have new data from new variants, you don't improve how AI works. And it's actually a very interesting balance. And if you wanted to check only new variants and don't show these best variants, and want to spend all your traffic on the testing new variants, you need to put it around here from 50 to 100. On 100 it won't even show these good variants, it only will show the experimental variants and trying to get at least 1000 views for each of them to understand is as they are working or not. The balance is up to you, it depends on your business situation, but I highly recommend for the new clients at least put to 80, wait few months or wait 10 20,000 hits, and then after that start slowly move here when you see that you can't find the new more effective variants. A good example for Seatext.com, here it was activated the best variants for all languages, and here I switch it whereas the conversion rate fall to more experimentation variants, but I get more data for all languages on more experimentation data. Thank you very much. This is the basics of Seatext. If you have any problems, you should immediately chat with us here in support chat. We will help you immediately. Or if you want, you can use FAQ. There is a lot of technical questions are covered, like for example, how to stop Seatext works on any page. Like you can do it inside your system. You can put special tags. There is priorities there. You can also integrate Seatext to any dynamic system like React or Vue. So, for example, this website is running on React and it's now translated, which you don't see, but it's basically the Seatext can work in your internal portals. So if you're a software company, there is no, or SaaS company, there is no problem to run Seatext on your internal portals or or translating your interface, or for example improving how your interface works. Thank you very much, and if you have any questions, please chat with us right now. Thank you.